Good morning, students. Today we will discuss on the topic direct variation. When two quantities are so related that an increase in one causes an increase in the other, or a decrease in one causes a decrease in the second quantity, then we can say that the two quantities vary directly, and it is a case of direct variation. For example, we know that when the cost of articles increases, we can buy more number of articles, or if the number of articles increases, we have to pay more amount. So here both the quantities, the cost and the number increases. That is, if number increases, cost also increases. Otherwise, if number decreases, cost also decreases. Another example, we know that when we increase the speed, the distance covered will be more. These are the examples of direct variation. Now, we are going to see some exercise questions based on direct variation. First question, 9 mangoes cost 90 rupees. How many mangoes can be bought for 1160 rupees? Let X be the number of mangoes that can be bought for 1160. That is the thing which we need to find. Now here we have two quantities, number of mangoes, and second one is cost of mangoes. So first one, ratio of mangoes equal to, given we have 9, then next we have to find x number of mangoes. So 9 is to x. Ratio of cost is equal to, for 9 mangoes it costs 90 rupees, and for x number of mangoes it costs 1160. This is a case of direct variation, because we know that when we increase the number of mangoes, cost also increases. Hence, ratio of mangoes equal to ratio of cost. That is, 9 is to x equal to 90 is to 1160. Now we know that A is to B can be written as A upon B. So 9 is to x can be written as 9 upon x equal to 90 upon 1160. Then cross multiplying, we need to take first the variable. So x multiplied by 90 is equal to 9 multiplied by 1160. Then solving, we will get x is equal to 116. Therefore, number of mangoes that can be bought for 1160 is 116. Now, second example, 20 girls are accommodated in a space of 90 square meters. How many girls can be accommodated in a space of 22.5 meters square? Here at first we had 20 girls and they need 90 square meters of space. And here we need to find how many girls can be accommodated in a space of 22.5 square meters. So here area, the space decreases, and we know that when area decreases, the number of girls accommodated also will be less, will decrease. So this is a case of direct variation, since both are decreasing. Let x be the number of girls that can be accommodated in a space of 22.5 meters square, which we need to find. Then the two quantities are number of girls and space. So ratio of girls equal to 20 is to x. Ratio of space is equal to 90 is to 22.5. This is a case of direct variation. Hence, ratio of girls equal to ratio of space. That is 20 is to x equal to 90 is to 22.5. Then 20 is to x can be written as 20 upon x. 90 is to 22.5 can be written as 90 upon 22.5. Then cross multiplying we will get 90 into x is equal to 20 into 22.5. Solving we will get the value of x as x equal to 5. Therefore, we can say that 5 girls can be accommodated in a space of 22.5 meters square. So here we can see that at first we had 90 meters square of space with the 20 girls. When we decrease the space by 22.5 meters square, we know that only less number of girls will be accommodated. So the number of girls decreases by 5. So I mean decrease to 5. 20 from 20 to 5. Now a third example. If 45 acres of plot are dug by 40 men in a day, how many men will be required to dig 72 acres of the plot in a day? And here also we can see that when we increase the area to be dug, we need more men. So when the area increases, number of men increases. So it's a case of direct variation. Now here we need to find the number of men required to dig 72 acres of the plot. So that we can assume as x. So first step, let x be the number of men required to dig 72 acres of the plot. Ratio of men, here two quantities are number of men and area of the plot. So ratio of men is equal to 40 is to x. Ratio of area of the plot is equal to 45 is to 72. Order is very important. At first we had 40 acres of plot and number of men needed is at first we had 45 acres of plot we have 40 men. Now we need to dig 72 acres of plot and we need to find the number of men, that is x. So order is very important. Since these two quantities are in direct variation, we can write ratio of men is equal to ratio of area of the plot. No need to change the order. That is 40 is to x is equal to 45 is to 72. Then 40 upon x is equal to 45 upon 72. Cross multiplying we will get 45 into x is equal to 40 into 72. Then taking 45 to the other side, we will get x is equal to 40 multiplied by 72, the whole divided by 45. Then cancelling and simplifying, we will get x is equal to 64. Therefore, 64 men will be required to dig 72 acres of the plot. So here, in the case of direct variation, you should follow the steps like this. First, let the unknown quantity be x and take it as the fourth term. Take the third term as the quantity which has the same unit as x. If it is a case of direct proportion, take the direct ratio as the first two terms of the proportion. Then find x.